Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking tilapia fish on a frying pan. For this very easy recipe, all we need is tilapia fillets, oil for frying. I'll just use olive oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil or coconut oil or butter, and seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and you can use any seasonings you'd like. So I'm going to now season the fish. So just sprinkle the seasonings on both sides all over. And I'm going to rub the seasonings so they're evenly distributed. So the fish is coated with a nice layer of seasoning. And I'm going to flip tilapia over and do the same thing on the other side. Let's season the other side. And again, I will rub the seasonings all over the fish so it's distributed evenly. So again, the seasonings I used were salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. So now the fish is prepared for pan frying. And I'm going to add oil to the frying pan. So you can use as much or as little oil as you'd like. This is a non-stick pan, so you really don't need much, just for flavor. I'm just going to add this so to have a thin coating of oil on the bottom of my pan, and I'll turn the heat on high, and I'm going to add the fish. So now let's wait until the pan is heated. So right now I have it on high. When the pan is fully heated, you're going to hear the oil and fish sizzling, so that you'll know the pan is hot, and at that point we're going to reduce heat to medium high and continue cooking. So now the pan is heated, the oil is sizzling, so it's the time to reduce the heat to medium high. And anytime you have pan frying, just keep on close eye on the pan. If things start to burn, you can reduce the heat further. So now let's cook it on the side undisturbed for several minutes until the bottom is golden brown, and it'll flip it over and finish cooking. So now the fish has been cooking for 3 minutes on the side, and I see it's already brown, so I'm going to flip it over. And I will finish cooking it until it's totally cooked. So again, several more minutes. We're gonna keep a close eye. And the time, how long it takes to cook, really depends on how thick the fillets are. For thicker fish, takes longer. Thinner ones, they cook super quick. So we'll check the temperature at the end to make sure it's cooked, and then we'll try it. So now tilapia have been cooking on this side for 4 minutes, and it's ready. So let me turn off the heat. So to check, to just make sure your fish is ready, you can use instant read thermometer. It should be at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit, internal temperature of the fish. So this is over 145, and I know it's fully cooked. And this side is also nicely brown. So let me take it off the frying pan. it. So it was super quick and easy. And our fish is ready. So this is a perfect, easy dinner. And it's so healthy too. I'm so excited about trying it. I love tilapia. So now let's try it. So fish is totally cooked. Flakes so easily with a fork. Mmm. So delicious. It's perfectly cooked, perfectly seasoned, and so tasty and healthy too. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!